You for being here with us tonight. First at 5, the fear of losing health care benefits is leading to protests across California this week.
Hundreds of people are gathering outside the offices of California's Republican Congress members. They're urging them to not cut Medicaid dollars, billions of which are potentially on the chopping block.
ABC 10's Becca Habegger has more on the protest in Modesto today.
Here outside Republican Congressman Tom McClintock's Modesto office, hundreds of people gathered Wednesday afternoon to share personal stories about how possible cuts to Medicaid could affect them.
What do we have to do?
Fight!
When are we going to do it?
Now!
Cuts to federal Medicaid funding, which in California is administered through the Medi-Cal program, could have major impacts on Elizabeth Gaysamburu.
I was born with a severe neuromuscular disability, and so I rely upon Medi-Cal and IHSS and the services that provides that allow me to live independently in my home. And so this is a very, very critical issue to people like me, and that's why I'm out here today.
She and others are urging Republican Congress members who voted earlier this month to advance a federal budget plan that includes cuts to Medicaid to reconsider.
I think there's more of us than they realize.
The budget plan, still going through the legislative process, directs the Committee on Energy and Commerce to make at least $880 billion in cuts from fiscal years 2025 through 2034. Some of the options for doing that include hundreds of billions of dollars in cuts to Medicaid. Congressman McClintock's office sent ABC 10 a statement saying, in part, Medicaid spending has nearly doubled in 10 years and now costs more than the entire defense budget, taking $6,900 a year from an average American household to support. The budget resolution anticipates long overdue common sense reforms such as restoring the work requirement for able-bodied adults, prosecuting fraud, and ending services to non-citizens. Stickers worn by protesters said, "I am not waste, fraud, or abuse."
Elsewhere in our area, people also gathered to protest outside Republican Congressman Kevin Kiley's Rockland office. Here in Modesto, Becca Habegger, ABC 10.
Up onto the point with Alex Bell at 6:30. Hear from others who are poised to be hurt by possible Medicaid cuts and why one Republican Congress member from our area is blaming funding uncertainty on Governor Gavin Newsom.